Shimmy Shakers, welcome back to Dancer Diaries and to today's tutorial, which is a requested one, the hair shimmy. Made me laugh that someone requested this, but it is actually a move. It's a really easy move, but it can look great when you're performing. So the hair shimmy looks like this. Very dramatic. You probably only want to do that one once in a performance if you're doing it in a show. So what are we doing? Very simple. Firstly, it's great if you have nice long hair. If you've got beautiful hair, have it out. This is a lot easier than doing your hair figure eights, which I'll link below as well. What we are doing is just bending forward. Very important that you're leaning forward with this one, coming all the way down and dropping your hair. So if you find it difficult to get all the way over just with your flexibility, keep your knees a little bit bent, even if you've got both knees bent, and it helps you to come forward as long as your hair is all downwards. So the aim is to have it downwards. That's why you need a big flick to come over at the very start. So from the side, we're coming down in our flick, making sure our hair is all down. And then to add the shimmy, we're just shaking the head side to side. So from the side, it looks a little bit funny, but from the front, you can see, very dramatic. Same when you flick your hair up, you want to, from here, use lots of energy and momentum to come all the way back up so that your hair stays out of your face and goes back. When you're doing the actual hair shimmy, all I'm doing is a little shake of my head, like you're saying, no, side to side, really fast. And that's it. Super simple move, but quite dramatic and impressive. So I hope you like it and you can use it in your performances. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already to be notified of when new tutorials are released. And as always, happy dancing.